Now, for anyone that knows Bathurst, they'll know in 1987, in the Group A era, the race was around the World Touring Car Championship, and the Texaco Sierras courted all sorts of controversy with alleged illegal fuel, alleged illegal front guards and all the rest. Months later, Peter Brock ended up being declared the winner of the race. But what we have here is we have Michael and a beautiful tribute to one of the Texaco Sierras. Now, Michael, tell me a bit about the car.
Well, I've had it since '04,
Right.
and it's a genuine RS500.
Wow.
I'm the first registered owner of it in Australia.
Okay.
It went brand new to New Zealand.
Right.
Lived over there till 2000.
Okay.
And I put the livery on for the 25th anniversary of the Win.
Right.
I'm still calling it the Win,
Right. Okay.
as I have to.
Yes.
Yeah, just take it out every now and then.
Yeah.
And having a great time here at the Rolling 30.
So what sort of horsepower does it have?
Depends on the boost I run.
Right.
Like if you run 2-bar boost through it, it'll put out 500 horsepower.
Right.
But that's just too much for the road. So I run about just over 1 bar boost, and
Okay.
it still puts out 350, 370, something like that. So
Yeah.
it's still plenty of power.
Yeah.
Still gets you into trouble
Yeah. Yeah.
if you're not careful. Yeah.
I remember John Bowe saying recently in an interview that when they put the engines on the dyno without a turbo on it,
Yes.
it had about 70 horsepower.
That's it.
And about 600 when you put the
Yep.
hairdryer on
Yeah,
it.
just flick of a switch.
Yeah.
Nothing to 600. So they were pretty good drivers back then.
Yeah,
to
they
control
were.
that kind of stuff, especially in the wet.
Yeah.
On those skinny little tyres that they had.
Yeah.
They were pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Really.
And is the road car like that too? It's a bit of an on-off switch with the turbo?
With the RS500, with the big TO4 turbo, it is a little bit like that.
Right.
But I've got an Ultronic ECU on this, so
Okay.
we've managed to map a bit of that out.
Okay.
And it's not so aggressive anymore.
Right.
But on a standard one, yeah, it still is pretty aggressive.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you do any track days with it or just a cruiser?
I used to do a lot of track days,
Yeah.
but it's just too valuable now to be, if anything goes wrong on a track.
Right. So you just go for country drives in it now?
Yeah, just come along to days like this, car shows, cars and coffees, things like that.
Yeah.
Try and get it out once a month
Okay.
if I can, and that's about it with it.
And put a smile on your face every time you
Well,
start
yeah,
it?
and hopefully other people as well.
Yeah,
That's-
absolutely.
That's what it's all about.
Fantastic. Well, Michael, it's just wonderful. Thank you so much for your time.